When cats get angry, even the wildest predators don't stand a chance. Watch these furious felines show the animal kingdom who's boss. King Cobra vs. Cat. This cat was absolutely furious and showed all its power to defend the King Cobra. And it won. Despite the cobra being a dangerous predator, this cat wasn't backing down. Fox vs. Cat. A fox thought the cat would be an easy target, but it quickly learned it was wrong. The cat showed the fox who was boss in this surprising confrontation. Cat versus bobcat. Next, this cat wanted to fight a bobcat. If there hadn't been a window between them, there's no doubt it would have attacked. Cats are fearless, and this one was ready for the challenge. Cat versus tiger. Here the cat wants to take on a tiger, because cats are never afraid. Watch this fearless feline face a tiger head-on. Coyote versus cat. A coyote thought it could easily hunt this cat, but it failed miserably. The cat fought back fiercely and proved that it's not an easy target. Angry cat versus coyote. This wasn't the first time this angry cat showed a coyote who's boss. In another encounter, the cat made sure to teach the coyote a lesson. A fox tried to attack this cat, but got a quick and powerful response. The cat made sure the fox knew it messed with the wrong animal. Bear vs. cat. Who would believe it if not caught on camera? A bear quickly avoided an attack when this cat fought back. Watch the bear retreat in disbelief. Cat versus bear. Once again, this furious cat stands off against a massive bear, showing just how resilient and powerful these creatures can be. Cat tells bear to go away. Go away, big bear. This cat clearly wasn't afraid to stand its ground, and the bear had no choice but to back off. Cats fear sound. Sometimes even the sound of this angry cat is enough to make predators retreat. It doesn't even have to make contact. Its mere presence is intimidating. Monkey versus cat. A monkey learned not to mess with cats again after getting a clear lesson from this fearless feline. Cat versus seal. One slap from this cat made a seal rethink its decision to approach. The cat delivered a decisive message. Cat versus two cobras. Watch the dramatic battle unfold. It's not just one cobra. Two deadly snakes were afraid of this ferocious cat. Fox versus cat. This fox got the fight of its life and quickly realized it had made a big mistake. Better to run and never come back. Watch the dramatic moment. Cat versus hawk. Even a hawk that had caught its prey didn't stand a chance when this cat wanted some food. Watch the cat try to steal the catch. Cat kills crow. This brutal cat managed to kill a crow. This cat is clearly the predator in this scenario. Cat versus squirrel. A poor squirrel didn't have any chance to escape and was quickly caught by the cat. Nature is brutal. Cat versus weasel. Weasels may be strong little animals, but when it comes to cats, they have no chance. This cat made quick work of this weasel. Cat versus raccoon. A raccoon tried to mess with this cat and quickly realized it was a huge mistake. Watch how the cat handles the situation. Cat versus opossum. An opossum got the message loud and clear from this angry cat. It won't be messing with any cat again. Cat versus alligator. Some slaps were enough to make this alligator retreat. Watch the cat assert its dominance. Cat versus monitor lizard. Imagine a monitor lizard escaping from a cat. Well, that's exactly what happened here. Watch the monitor lizard run for its life. Two coyotes versus cat. And finally, even two coyotes learned the hard way not to mess with this cat. No one dares challenge it, not even in pairs. Did you enjoy this video? Please let us know in the comments section down below. And don't forget to leave us a like and subscribe to the channel while you're at it. And please, turn on your notifications bell to get notified when we upload a new video. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.